All right, guys. We're meeting Ruroc. Ben? What's up, man? Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Block, Miss Block. And just like that, we are here at Ace Cafe with the guys from Ruroc. Am I saying that right?
Yeah, Ruroc.
Ruroc?
I'm Ben from Ruroc.
I'm Zach. Nice to meet you guys.
We're excited to be here. This Ace Cafe is insane, honestly. If you haven't been here, come down.
Glad you guys are liking it. All right, so this is the helmet that you guys saw Miss Block and I. Miss Block is over here. Also, we got Bagger Bro and Greg. What's up? So you guys saw us post this helmet up on Instagram a couple months back. You guys absolutely loved it. Miss Block shared it as well. And I ended up seeing it. We ended up getting in touch, kind of talked back and forth, and basically we're interested in working together, was interested in the helmet. So the Atlas RONIN, which is the black and gold. So that's in this box?
Yes.
Do you guys want unboxes? Should we have Miss Blockhead do it instead? All right, we're gonna have Miss Blockhead take the helmet out because she's prettier than I am.
We can open it now?
Yes. Wait, so can she open it? Yeah. Do we need a drum roll? It's a helmet cover.
It's a bag.
We got some stickers. Miss Block is just all about the helmet. We're gonna take a look at clear visor.
Oh, it looks nice.
Dang.
That's nice. That's super nice. Really
Damn, that looks really good, guys.
So super low profile and honestly.
That's awesome.
That's nice.
That is so good looking.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
So in addition to helmet, so it comes, this is exactly as it comes?
Exactly how you get it.
Okay, cool. So tinted visor on it. Are you guys offering like mirrored options, like gold or anything like that?
So there's extra ones that you can buy on our
Awesome.
store at Ruroc.com.
Awesome.
Plenty of options, tinted, there's loads of different colours.
Yeah, I'll be getting gold for show.
Pause. How do I open it?
So this
Oh yeah.
All you do is, this is a fid lock system, so the easy system. So you just pull that, and it's unreleased.
Oh, that's
And you
nice.
just drop it on top, and it's done.
It's magnetic.
Look at
and
this.
it's
It's super
Test.
simple.
yeah, it's been tested to the same ability as the D-ring.
Really?
And, yeah, fine, that passed.
So it goes
Oh,
like this.
that's so convenient.
It's,
And then,
What?
So when you
you
got
can literally
gloves
just
on,
drop it on, and it
Yeah.
just clicks in place.
So that's been, like that's the same as a D-ring?
yeah,
Really?
fully certified, passed the same test as the D-rings.
Yeah, that's awesome because we don't have to buy those little quick, clasp things off of Amazon anymore. So yeah, clear visor, helmet, tinted. We've got some stickers. What else in here? What is this?
Comes with a keyring bottle opener. You adjust the visor for making it tighten and loosen the visor, and you also can take it off and replace it with goggles and peak as well. So it's
Okay.
a modular helmet. If the helmet's visor is slightly tight, you just twist it a little bit, and then it's nice.
Okay.
Nice and flush.
Does it have locking points to it?
So it's free. So it's obviously shirt, middle, and then
Okay, cool. But if you tighten it down, you can leave it probably just like a little more cracked.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. So that's what that little tool there is for. And then, yeah, it's just like an Allen key kind of thing. Really get some of the detail and show you guys this helmet. We'll talk a little bit about the specs, and then we're gonna come back. One of us is gonna be wearing it. Everybody's gonna vote Miss Blockhead. So we'll probably have you wear it. We'll be right back. So we didn't get a chance to take the helmet apart at Ace Cafe, so we're gonna go through tearing it down real quick, and then we'll cut back to some footage at Ace. So the Atlas helmets have a shell made entirely from aerospace grade T300 Italian carbon fiber. Pretty cool, giving it an incredible strength and lightness. Let me tell you guys, these things are crazy lightweight. It has 2 shell sizes in the line, and they've said the head shape is intermediate oval. The helmet is very well ventilated, featuring 6 air intakes and 6 exhausts. Ruroc states that it's warm when it's cold, and it's cold when it's warm, with a focus on not being designed for any one type of climate, which is great, seeing as how, we live in Florida. The 6 intake vents and exhaust vents coupled with foam dampeners around the ears keep the airflow moving while giving you a quiet ride. In my first ride video, which is going to be the next video, I'll be sure to pay special attention to this, give you guys some in-ride feedback about that. On the back of the neck roll, the Atlas helmet is Bluetooth compatible with the new Shockwave system, which integrates seamlessly into it. This feature is sold separately. The Shockwave system gives the rider the ability to use voice commands, talk with friends, listen to music, and hear GPS directions all within the helmet. Pretty cool how it integrates onto the back, because that actually keeps from being in the line of wind like some other Bluetooth communicators, causing wind noise on one side of the helmet. Focusing on anti-fog, the helmets from Ruroc feature their Raid anti-fog system, and they've actually added a switch system in the chin vent to direct additional air while you're riding to the underside of the visor. So it basically takes air in and redirects it to flow over the visor, so it defogs it constantly while riding. Also to note, the guys from Ruroc said that they're working on making a chin curtain for their helmets, which they'll be sending out to everyone who's ordered a helmet already. The chin curtain will also come with all future orders of their helmets. The visor is also stated to be anti-fog and anti-scratch. All the Atlas helmets come with what they call flow-coated visors that have been integrated with anti-fog and anti-scratch tech, helping to keep the visor clear and keep the rider safe. One of the big features that I love is what Ruroc calls the Fidlock, a fast and easy magnetic chin strap. Stated to be the fastest and easiest chin strap system in the world, even with gloves on. This is a huge plus for this helmet from Ruroc. And as they were saying, apparently it's met crash test standards comparable to the current D-ring systems that are in most helmets. If you'd like to customize the helmet a bit more, Ruroc also offers a selection of visors in tinted and iridescent options such as orange low light, green iridescent, and blue iridescent. The interior padding is a single piece, removable, washable comfort liner. So the top is a single piece, and then the left and the right side are also single pieces, so it's 3 pieces. They are washable. It says that they are silver nano coated to prevent bacteria buildup. In terms of safety certification, the Atlas helmets are DOT as well as ECE certified. And as of me recording this, price ranges from about $400 for the Atlas Core line to the limited line, which are priced more around $475. And they do ship worldwide as well. Also, just to talk a little bit more about the Atlas Shockwave audio system, it retails or will retail for about $150. They're saying the dispatch date on that is from June 2019. Their site does have it listed for $150. A couple of specs on that. It's compatible with all Atlas helmets. Battery life is about 8 hours playtime. It does have a micro USB charging port. It is iPhone and Android compatible via Bluetooth. It has volume up, down, skip, song, back, forward, on, off, answer call, ignore call, hang up, Bluetooth pairing controls, and 40mm drivers as the audio source. Alright, so Ms. Block is going to try this helmet on for the first time. We're going to get her initial thoughts and impressions. It goes very well with the Dixon flannel.
I want to see how easy this thing is to lock.
I had some trouble with it.
Did you?
Man, really?
Fine.
You had no trouble with it. So what do you think? How does it feel?
It's so light.
Yeah.
It's a little big. This one's a little big for me.
So that's a large.
Yeah.
Did you guys have? You said yeah. Yeah. Probably try in a medium.
Is there like that?
Yeah, you got your little tabs right there.
It's crazy.
Dude, it goes so well with that Dixon. Right?
Really nice. It's just a little. This one's just a
Little big. Yeah.
It's the perfect fit.
So you guys have multiple shell sizes, right?
2 shell sizes
Okay.
and 6 inner sizes. So we've got extra small, medium, large, and extra.
Oh, that's much better.
All right. So how's it feel in the in the neck area?
Like down in my neck.
Like your neck roll?
It holds it, but it's not tight. You know, it's just like
Yeah.
barely there. And it's
Okay.
super light.
And then the padding in the cheeks and around the back of the head. How's it feel?
It feels really good.
Okay. Good. And it's not too big in the top and the crown?
No, it like feels like it fits perfect here. It comes down here, but it doesn't feel like it's smushing like my whole front of my face.
Yeah.
And like I have room to breathe.
Yeah.
You know, like I don't feel my hot breath coming back on me.
And you do got a lot of that hot breath.
But you know what I mean?
Set yourself up. Yeah.
It feels good.
It's pretty dark.
Can I try this one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I love it. Love it. It seems like you get a little bit more than most helmets. You get a little bit more sight, then you don't get your peripheral vision cut out. I like that. I'm in. I would buy this.
All right, guys. So we're out here with the Ruroc bros, calling you, and they're getting some shots and stuff of the helmet. People out here are absolutely flipping out about this helmet because they've seen it all over Instagram. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? You see the helmet? You see the helmet? Come here. Come here. Right here.
I kind of want to be like a friend outside of like that.
Yeah. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh my god, it's so light. It's carbon, right?
Yeah. Italian carbon.
Sexy. I'm officially jealous. I'm jealous. I'll admit it, I'm jealous. This is beautiful. Yeah.
Nice,
And it comes with the smoke, right?
Yeah, so it comes with the clear lens and it comes with the smoke lens. Yeah.
This is nice. I'm willing to take up like skiing so I can get the snow ones.
Yeah.
Nice.
So this is Edwin.
Yeah. Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Ben.
I'm Ben from Ruroc.
So he works for Cycle Gear here in Orlando, and so he knows everything about everything motorcycle gear.
Yeah.
So he's the guy to go to whenever we have questions about any helmets, anything. So
Yeah, I'm like their point of like, hey, no, I can tell them stuff, and then they can sound,
Yeah.
you know, less silly about some of the things.
But look, I stuck my hand out.
His name's Moisha.
What is it?
Moisha.
Moisha?
Moisha.
That's awesome.
Only at Ace Cafe Bike Night. Freaking bird. So chill.
He's 17 years old.
Really?
No wonder he's so calm.
Yo, Miss Block took a dump on you. It's okay. Moisha. Name Moisha. Moisha's my new friend.
So yeah, we're hand delivering helmets to Mr. and Mrs. Blockhead, but it'd be cool to see what you think of the new. So this is the Ronin. It's one of 500 made. So,
Dude, this helmet is badass. Holy shit.
Right?
so yeah, full lightweight.
Like you don't have to mess around with the D-ring with your gloves on now.
Dude, that's rough too.
2 hours later.
All right, guys. Well, that was hanging out with the Ruroc bros. I'm gonna call them Ruroc
They're
bros.
so nice.
Yeah.
I know. I told him. I had to ask the guy like 3/4 of the way into our thing. I was like, "So, what is your real names?" I was like, "I just know the Ruroc guys."
The Ruroc guys. Ben and Zach. Yeah, they were awesome, man. Such a good time hanging out with them. Really looking
Yeah, it
forward
was so
to the helmets. So Miss Block has hers because they have her size, but they got to get my size. So
For your special sized head.
that's right. Shut it. Should have that.
Big head.
Should have that soon, though. But that was the first look at the helmet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, be sure to post them down in the comments below. We'll answer to the best of our knowledge. We'll get the Ruroc team to check them out as well. What'd you think of the helmet? First thoughts and impressions.
I was really surprised with how light it was,
Yeah, crazy
And-
lightweight.
how comfortable it was. I liked it a lot. And you know we're picky about helmets.
Yeah, for sure. We've been through a
I just
few.
realized.
So yeah, I was really surprised by the weight of it too. And I mean, first thoughts and impressions, it feels quality. I love the look of it. And yeah, I can't wait to get one in that is my size, and we will go for a first ride with it. But this is basically the first look and unboxing video, so hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon as well while you're over there so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Be part of that Bell Yacht Squad. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe, stay vigilant. Peace.